My name is Tanya. I'm a yoga instructor as well as a self-love advocate and coach, and I have my own business. It's an online virtual yoga studio. In my beginnings, I changed my career many times and I was just never fulfilled or happy until I discovered yoga practice. And that's when I started to look into how can I make this a career? How can I make a living out of this? And most people will tell you and did tell me, well, you can't. And then years later, I wasn't only teaching, I was running a yoga studio. Well, Analucia Beltran Diamonds are definitely special to me. Her brand screams everything that I resonate with. Self-love and passion and hard work and creativity makes you relate to her and her story. I love that she created these sustainable diamonds in these collections. I think diamonds really represent beauty and courage, and it makes a woman feel empowered because our beauty does shine from within, but diamonds just add that little extra shine. Coming from someone who was never big on jewelry and diamonds, it's just beautiful to be able to feel empowered just by a piece of jewelry.